Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today Sampel20 is super proud to present this recipe. It's tacos but Salvadorian style, so let's begin. So first things first, let's get our delicious chimol ready. So we're gonna dice up some tomatoes, some onions, some cilantro and radishes. Next we're going to add salt and pepper for taste and the juice of a lemon, lime or mandarin lime. And we're gonna finish it off with a dash or a couple dashes of hot sauce. We're gonna mix everything well, we're gonna give it a taste. If we need a little bit more of the spices or lemon or hot sauce, this is the time to add it. And then we're gonna refrigerate it until our tacos are ready to be prepared. So while our delicious chimol is marinating in la refri, we're now going to chop up some pork, chicken, and beef. We are going to fry our mix of meat over medium heat in a pan until it starts to brown, so roughly 5 minutes. We are now going to add some onion. We're going to slice this up, some onion, some tomatoes, and also some green peppers. We're going to fry this for another 10 minutes or so, stirring constantly, and we're going to continue to do this until the meat has completely browned now and it starts to have this nice crispy look and feel to it. Once our mix is done, we're going to reduce the heat to the most minimal level possible just to keep it warm. Now that our chimol is done and our meat is done, we are ready to prepare our tacos. So over medium heat, we're going to place our comal and we're going to add a dash of oil. Now I'm going to use a paper towel, but you could also use a brush to spread the oil nice and even all over el comal. We're going to allow el comal to heat up for about 1 or 2 minutes before placing our tortillas. Next, we're going to add our tortillas. Depending on how big your comal is, that's the amount of tortillas you'll be able to place on top. We're going to heat each side of the tortilla for about 30 seconds or until they become nice and floppy. Once they do, we're going to place these tortillas on a plate and we're going to add 1 big fat tablespoon of our meat and 1 big fat tablespoon of our chimol. We're going to serve it right away while they are still hot. And voila, we have our delicious Salvadorian style tacos. The nice tanginess of el chimol goes great with the crispiness of the meat and also the delicious tortillas. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.